From representing my college at a national level business plan competition to securing a position at the 12th North India Regional Conference, it has been a long journey filled with marketing. Hello everyone, my name is Shobhit Nagar and I am an MBA in marketing from IIIM Jaipur, who previously served as a marketing executive in an edtech firm, and that was the time when I made up my mind that I need to gain the digital marketing skills to stand apart from others and explore my field of interest. So I researched a lot about various institutions, courses, certifications and trainers which provides digital marketing learning. And that's where the Quibus Trainings came to the rescue. I mean, what can be a better option than to learn from a pioneer itself? Yes, you heard it right. Paramveer sir has more than 12 plus years of experience in the field of digital marketing and taught over 3,500 plus students in his tenure. I always had a passion to learn new things in the field of marketing, and thanks to my MBA, it helped me to redirect myself towards pursuing the learning of digital skills to shape my career for the future. All the tasks and activities in the classroom were engaging and intended to develop the core marketing principles within us to ease our journey of learning digital marketing. Each and every assignment given to us was on purpose to provide us a handful practical experience of the tools, models, strategies used by the industries, and if in doubt related to any concept, then Paramveer sir was always helpful in giving answers to your queries in class interactions. We really enjoyed making the DRA ads, reels, story podcasts, ad copies using brand communication tactics, and of course doing the personal photo shoot, which took us a long time to get adjusted to poses. So the learning journey at Quibus has been like a 7-course meal to me, as initially we developed the understanding of marketing concepts, industry case studies, models of communication, strategies for market analysis, etc. And then we gradually moved on to the live projects and understanding of tools, and then qualified the examination. So I can clearly say that my overall experience at Quibus has been a fantastic one, and I'll definitely cherish the moments and wisdom we gained during our course journey. After the completion of the course from Quibus, I feel empowered to shape my career in the field of digital marketing and work towards achieving the financial freedom. It has been an unforgettable journey filled with a ton of memories, wisdom, teamwork, and of course, skillful learning all the way. During our live project on SEO, that is search engine optimization, we made our own website on a particular niche of our choice, and the task was to not only publish the blogs on it, but re-optimize them consistently to rank them on Google. And I was very glad to find out that some of my blogs ranked on the top 3 search engine result pages. I'm very thankful to my guru Paramveer sir and the entire team of Quibus Trainings for providing me a future path to direct my career, and I would definitely recommend the Quibus Trainings to each and every person who wants to learn the science of digital marketing and achieve their goals.